Practice log vlog number 3. So as you can see, some fine tuning here with the transcription. Boom. Today I focused on doing some fine tuning of Roy Hargrove's solo on Bird Lives. Got to play with my favorite little buddy in the practice room, Quinn. Let's make sure you're counting. 1, 2.
What? No, I don't want to count.
You gotta count. You gotta count. 2. Ready, play. It's a fantastic solo, and it's like 2 choruses. 2 choruses of blues, great bebop language, highly recommended. So that diminished line going up into the altissimo is tripping me up. Time to fine tune that. So I will definitely practice it much slower and with the metronome, really focusing on the fingerings and the repetition of it and getting that feeling of what my fingers are doing, getting the sound in my ears. If I need to, I will sing it first. Typically I do sing it. So this is a condensed version of that. That's it. Maybe up a couple clicks. You can see today was pretty cloudy, a little bit of sunshine, just in case you're wondering. We got to fine tune that diminished line, get it really smooth, work it up the tempo. And then the next line's really tough too, right here. Gotta love Roy, right? So then you gotta fine tune that. And that's tough because in the altissimo range, it's tricky on tenor. Starting on a G, a high G, and then getting around the G, F sharp, and F chromatically, for me, is not the easiest. So I'll work that up. Next time I'm updating you on this, hopefully I'll have it at 100%, and you hear me shredding like Roy. Later. All about time. Metronome on beat 4, Miss Jones. That is a workout. Nice flower, Quinn.